Have you ever heard about the benefits of raisin water? It's amazing and an excellent addition to your diet, especially if promoting good liver health. So, what's the biggest secret behind raisin water? It stimulates particular biochemical processes in the liver that help it detox your bloodstream more effectively. The benefits of raisin water mostly comes from the grapes themselves, which you might already know about. If you follow this treatment for 4 days straight, you'll notice your digestion improves and you have much more energy. Would you really miss out on this opportunity? Doctors often recommend that you eat raisins in the morning to take better care of your heart, eliminate bad cholesterol, lower your triglyceride levels, and prevent constipation or an upset stomach. Raisins are a natural source of vitamins and minerals, but those benefits are increased tremendously if you consume the water they're soaked in. This is because the sugar content is reduced and you're still obtaining an excellent medicinal remedy for the liver. Following are some amazing benefits of raisin water. Number one, it's a natural source of antioxidants. It's important to keep in mind that raisins are one of the best natural sources for antioxidants. All you need to remember is that they're just dried grapes, which is a fruit that's rich in bioflavonoids that help protect you from free radicals and strengthen your defenses against disease. Raisins and raisin water have been traditionally used to prevent the occurrence of various heart and liver diseases. Number two, helps detox the body. As you already know, both the liver and the kidneys are essential organs that cleanse your blood, removing the toxins and heavy metals that accumulate in the body and can ultimately make you sick. But sometimes these important functions are inhibited by poor dietary choices, eating too many fatty foods, or bad daily habits. Drinking raisin water for 4 days straight, at least once a month, will help your liver better perform its functions, especially when it comes to detox. And you'll notice its benefits during those times that you feel heavy or notice your digestion is slow or painful. Number three, aids in digestion. Drinking raisin water is a simple but effective method to purify the bloodstream and stimulate good liver function. And it also improves your digestion. It promotes the segregation of stomach acids, helping you process your food better and absorb the nutrients. You'll begin to notice these benefits around 2 days after you start your raisin water regimen. So, how do you make raisin water? Things you'll need: 2 cups of water and 150 grams of raisins. First of all, wash the raisins, then set them aside. Heat the 2 cups of water to a boil. Add the raisins and allow them to simmer for 20 minutes. It's simple, but this isn't all you need to do, as the raisins need to continue to soak in this water overnight. Next morning, just strain the water from the raisins and heat some of that delicious water back up. You can drink it warm or hot, however you like, but it's most important that you drink it on an empty stomach right after waking up. Then, wait 30 minutes before eating breakfast. Remember to follow this regimen for 4 days at least.